Hey Kevin, what are you scratching your head about?
Dual pulse welding, that's what I'm scratching my head over. Playing with the Everlast Power i-MIG 253 GPI in the dual pulse setting. And I'm sure you're wondering, some of you anyways, are wondering, okay, what the heck is dual pulse? Well, that's when you can control not only the voltage that you're welding at, but you can also control the current that you're welding at, independently of one another to some extent. And it makes my brain hurt, believe me. So the settings that I've found that seem to work pretty good for this 1/8 inch 4043 aluminum that I've been playing with, we've got the machine set on Synergic. So it's going to take care of some of the pulse settings on its own. And we're set to 2T, we're set to 030 wire and 4043 aluminum, and we're set to dual pulse. Now on the main panel here, let's hop back over to the beginning, and the preflow I've got set at 0.3. The inductance is set at 6. The peak is set at 145 minus 2.6%. Pulse time on is set at 65%. The pulse frequency is set at 3.9. The welding voltage, which is the bottom of the peak, you got to remember that. The welding voltage is set at 63 minus 3.1%. And then the burn back I've just got turned all the way down, and the voltage is set at 0 just because I'm using aluminum. I don't want to burn it back up into the tip of the gun. So let's jump over to the bench and let's play a little over there.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. That's one pulse. What about the other pulse?
Well, that's what the Synergic is doing. You know, I'm adjusting the voltage both high and low, and the Synergic is saying, okay, then I'll set your amperage at this, and I'll set your wire speed commensurate with that. So the machine is taking care of half of it. So you don't have to try to get all of those numbers running around in your head. So you can see it's a little smoky right here. And that's simply because of the cold aluminum sitting on top of that 1-inch cold table. But it warmed up nice. You know, it started to get some cleaning action going on around it. And on the back side, I'd say too cold. No discernible effects here whatsoever from that weld. Oh well. So more practice for me, more reading the manual on the machine, and more playing with the aluminum. So I hope that gets you guys kind of pointed in the right direction if you've got one of these machines and you've been trying to get those dual pulse settings figured out. So, you know, we're close. We're really close to what we got. So I think we could try going up a little bit on the high voltage, maybe up a little bit on the low voltage. You know, just trying to warm it up just a little bit more. Maybe give it a little more penetration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell up there so you get notifications when things change here. And I'll see y'all next time. So right now we're only at, come back here.